So, I just had to show you this morning because it made me laugh. And yes, at 5 a.m. I did put him in this jacket, and Charles is not impressed. Look at his face. But it has a little hood. So I'm getting ready to leave, or I'll be leaving today to go up to Mackinac Island. So the Small Business Association of Michigan does their Leadership Council Summit, which is another great reason. Do you see how I have to hold him here? He hates me so much right now. Which is another reason to get involved. And it's one of the things I've been going for over 10 years, I think. Obviously, I'm a board member, but Charles, ruining the video, Charles. Put your hood back on. Oh my God, he hates me so much. But I want him to be warm, and this will keep him warm. Look how happy he is. So anyway, I was thinking of doing reports live from the island with Charles and the two other dogs that we're bringing, because why wouldn't we? And this is the first time Josh, or maybe the second time Josh has ever come with me. I usually go just by myself, usually with Jurgen. She's my date, actually, and we share a room, and it's fun. And sometimes I lock her out of that room. There's always hijinks. And anyway, this time 3 dogs and a husband is coming with me, which I have a feeling is going to be even more chaotic. Can you hear him? Oh my God. He's so mad. Okay, fine. Go. Be gone. You know what? See, Jax will be in the video with me. Okay, so anyway, so I thought it would be fun to potentially report from the island if anybody's interested in that type of content. Or even if you're not, I don't really care, because I'll probably just post it anyway. But yeah, so that was, I just had to show you Charles in a jacket because it's hilarious. And yes, my shirt says salty. But happy rainy, whatever day it is. It's fall in Michigan.